Cosplay world. Today we're going to talk about generally coating our XPS foam, and we want to do this because it has some nasty little particles that, when getting into our lungs, is not great to have around. And because, of course, it looks a whole lot better when we have a nice, smooth, finished surface, or at least a textured one, maybe as well. So the thing about foams, especially XPS foam, is that it is susceptible to a lot of heat damage, or more commonly kind of acid or chemical damage, and so that limits our options for coating it. And for me, I use it for a lot of very large work because it cuts the weight down, and plaster Paris is kind of the cheap option. It's not the highest quality coating by far, but is the cheap option for filling in cracks and things like that. Wood filler would be kind of the next option for more quality filler, and there are other various specialty fillers which are extremely nice, such as Styro Spray 1000, which is a little dangerous, but absolutely amazing coating. But using something like Bondo or resin, or you guys have probably seen spray paint, is not a good choice with XPS foam. It'll eat right through it. You could potentially put something like a fiberglass coating, but what happens is it eats the foam underneath, and you end up with these cavities, these bubbles, and there's no foam on the back of it to support the shell, and so when it takes con damage, when it gets hit, it collapses very easily, and so that's not a optimal strategy for making a foam cosplay. I hope this helps. Good times to all. Rah! The next video in this series will be on finalcosmiccore.com. Check the link in the description for more info.